Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 8 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week at Simons Middle School this last week, including our first Blitz Day, which was our scavenger hunt through town. I think students enjoyed that. I know staff did as well. We do have several activities upcoming for this week. On Monday, we do have an admin team meeting at 8. We also have a site-based council meeting on Monday after school at 3:30. It is Red Ribbon Week, and I'll announce those events kind of in the after we talk about the calendar. We do have a field trip, a fishing trip with some students in our 5th period class with Miss Manning. And vertical teams are meeting on Tuesday for arts and humanities and then health and PE. On Wednesday, I know it says we currently have Powder Puff scheduled for Wednesday, but I left that in here intentionally because I want to make sure that parents and students know that this game has been moved. We were notified last week that our boys are actually going to be playing in the conference tournament on this evening at Mason County. So the Powder Puff game has been moved to Thursday. The gates will open at 5 on Thursday, and the games will get started at 6 o'clock. On Wednesday, we will also be having a faculty meeting. On Thursday, we will have PLC's teachers. We'll have our MSU students on campus. And like I said, it is going to be Powder Puff on that night at FCHS. And staff, we do have flu shots that are going to be given out on Thursday. So if you signed up for those, be expecting them. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday as always. We will have Kona Ice, and we are going to be having a Halloween dance. So make sure, students, that you wear your costumes. And we will, at the dance, have some awards for Best Dressed. Over the weekend, it is Mr. Fritz's birthday, so happy early birthday to Mr. Fritz. And it is also the Sensory Trunk or Treat at Simons Middle School on Saturday. So Red Ribbon Week is this week coming. Tomorrow, Monday, is USA, so dress in red, white, and blue. On Tuesday is Dress Like Twins or Another Famous Duo. On Wednesday, it is wear your favorite sports jerseys, and it's also anything but a backpack day. These are a lot of fun. Please don't bring anything that has sharp parts or motor. And Thursday is Hawaiian theme, and then of course Friday is going to be our Halloween costume dress-up day. We do want to take a moment to recognize Camden Price for being selected this week as our student spotlight. Camden is a 7th grader here at Simons Middle School and a straight A student. He is also a member of the Green Monkey team. Camden competed in a junior Chippeways golf tournament on October 14th at the Maysville Country Club, and he won the 10 to 12 age division, shooting an impressive 42 and edging out the competition by 3 solid strokes. Camden just took up golf this year, and he has matured a lot in his game very quickly. He plays in numerous junior varsity matches and tournaments during the golf season and also competed in one varsity tournament. Most impressively, Camden played golf while also playing travel baseball. Many times athletes struggle to change their swing from baseball to golf and vice versa, but he is determined to excel at all that he does. Camden also played baseball and basketball for SMS during his 6th grade year, and he plans to continue to be a part of the Cougar team this school year as well. So congratulations, Camden. We are very proud of you. Can't wait to see your many accomplishments here at Simons Middle School. So just another reminder about Powder Puff. That is going to be this Thursday at Fleming County High School, the football field. We will start taking gates or open gates at 5, and then the first game will get started at 6 o'clock. Also, don't forget about the winter formal. That is coming up pretty quickly. December 9th will be here before we know it, and that's from 6:30 to 8:30. And also, if you have poster needs, our librarian can make those for you. You just need to reach out and contact her or call the school. Also, we still have our Bring It fundraiser shirts going on. If you want to Bring It shirt students or parents, please just send in your money for that. We've been placing several orders. We'll place another one before Thanksgiving break. And also, 6th grade students, don't forget about that Indianapolis trip. The registration for that is now open. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.